My name is April Joy Esteban Gabriel. I'm 31 years old and I'm married, and I have two kids. One is 5 years old and the other one is 4 years old. They are both boys. I worked before in Dubai for 2 years with 4 kids taking care, and I work also in Hong Kong for 10 months with newborn baby and two elderly and two adults. I got terminated because I got accident there. My skills is taking care of newborn, elderly care, cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, and a little bit cooking. I love taking care of babies and kids. I'm responsible, trustworthy. I can work also with coworker even when even work alone. I hope you will like me, and thank you, and check my profile in Helper Library apps.